Some persons reached out to me letting me know that they cannot find their assets in their INTERLINK ITLS wallet, and that's the reason why I am making this particular video. Also, I'm going to be giving you some tips as it regards your security circle and your KYC. So please pay attention to this particular video and you're going to get value for your time. If you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and turn on your bell notification to get all notifications so that I can always be notified whenever I drop new YouTube videos, okay? Just come to your wallet here. If you have not created your ITLS wallet, I did a step-by-step video on how you can be able to create that, and I'm going to drop that. That's the link to that particular video in the video description. Tap on the more right below this particular video. Tap on the more again, get into the video description. You're going to see that particular video and you're going to see my referral code. Create a wallet and impute my referral code. Everything you need to know and do is in that particular video. Make sure you watch it after watching this particular video, okay? So just come and tap on your wallet here. So I'll tap on my wallet, then authenticate and unlock your wallet. Now this is the problem. You can see it. I actually have assets in this wallet, but it's showing 0. You can see it here. If I scroll up now, you see that I don't have any of my tokens. So most people are feeling like INTERLINK has tampered with their assets. INTERLINK did not tamper with your assets. Remember that INTERLINK moved to their private mainnet. So from their system, they automatically selected the private mainnet network. If you come to this place here and you tap on it, you can see that it is on the private mainnet network. So for you to see your assets, it's very simple. Just come to this your Ethereum and you choose it. So just come and tap on this. So you tap on it and it will switch to Ethereum and you can see your assets. If you scroll up, you can be able to see your various assets. You can see it here. Ethereum is here. If you check there and you're not being able to see it, you can just come here, tap on it, and you choose your BNB. And you can see here your BNB balance is here. So everything is safe here. I believe that's clear enough. So you can actually decide to choose the network that you want as your default. Let me take it back to the private mainnet. So tap on it and here it is. So at this point I believe you're no longer scared. So let me go back to the app here. So tap on the app. If you are only mining here to get ITLG, then you are actually losing ITLG on a daily basis, because you can actually come to this your group and mine in your group and get more ITLG tokens. If I tap here, you can see this join a group signal. I actually did a step-by-step video on how you can be able to create a group and how you can be able to join a group. Those persons that have been with me from the initials, we have done all of these things. And the maximum group you can create is 5 groups. So you can either create 1 and join 4. But the point is, whether you're creating or whether you're joining, the maximum group that you can be in is 5 groups. I believe that's clear enough. And now, once you are mining from your normal mining, it will be counting here. Okay? They give you 30 ITLG per mine. So let me come and tap on this. So you can see from here that I have actually mined thrice. You can see it here, and these people, they have all mined. Now the way this thing works is that you cannot remove somebody from your security circle. That means if someone is inactive, you cannot remove them. That's something the INTERLINK team should have included here, so that once someone is not active, you can remove that person and fix another person. But as of when I'm recording this particular video on the 29th of July 2026, that has not been implemented. Okay, so what that means is that, for example, if this person is not active, you cannot remove this person. What you need to do is, if you know these other 3 persons, you just tell all of them to exit the group. When you watch that video, you know how to do all of these things, okay? And you yourself, you're also going to exit the group. Then either you or any of you will now create a new group. Then the 4 of you now is going to join. Then you now look for someone who is active and complete yourself 5. I believe that's clear enough. Let me go back. One thing you need to know is that it is not compulsory that you must do 5 groups. You can have only 1 group, and that 1 group, everybody shows up and everybody mines. You're good to go. And one thing you need to know is that once somebody mines, even if it's once, as long as those 5 persons, they mine at least once, you are going to get your full 180 ITLG if you mine 6 times individually. I believe that's clear enough. The essence of having so much group or having 5 groups is that if somebody here is slacking your group, you still have 4 that are functioning very well. Let's say in 4 of the groups there is 1 person who is not active, or 2-3 persons that are not active. You can't tell me that in the whole 5 groups you not have 1 group that is strong enough. It's very unlikely. But now you don't need to worry about all of those, because the most important thing right now is you cannot claim from all of these 5 groups. So you can only claim from 1 group. And the advice I gave to you, you see the advice I'm giving to you right now, that you should claim from the group with the highest ITLG. So once these are ripe, let me say everybody showed up at least once, and I mined 6 times. You know, it's 30 ITLG per mine. So I'll be getting 180 in this. And let's say for this now, maybe 1 person did not show up. So maybe I'm not getting 150. Maybe 2 persons did not show up and I'm getting 120. What I need to do is I will come and claim this 180 that is the highest. I believe that's clear enough. That's why I said it is not compulsory for you to have up to 5. Because even if you have up to 5 and all is 180, 180, 180, 180, you can only claim 1. If you can get 1 and everybody is active and shows up every day, you don't have a problem. You can be getting 150 to 180 depending on how many times you mine daily. I believe that's clear enough. Please take this security group extremely serious. If you get 180 ITLG per day, by 10 days, that's 1,800 ITLG. By 100 days, that's 18,000 ITLG. I have been very consistent with this. I don't miss it for any reason. No matter how engaged I am, I try my best to mine immediately. One thing I like about INTERLINK is that it will notify you. It takes somebody who has decided to feed INTERLINK, not to mine INTERLINK, because it must remind you. It will make that sound. So once I hear the sound, I leave whatever I'm doing and I just mine immediately. I believe that's clear enough. Now let me show you this last thing before I leave, and this is going to help your KYC drastically. So let me go back. I'll just come down here. That's the home page. I'll tap on it. So normally, you know, you need to mine 6 times. If you're mining once, you're making a very great mistake. You're losing the number of ITLGs you would have gotten. Okay? So each time you come here, that's per the 4 hours. Once you're being notified, come here and mine. So if you tap on it now, I've already mined. So once you mine, just go back and scroll up. Come to this verified ITLG. This is very, very important. You tap on it. Now, why is this important? The first reason is that it is going to update your informations. And according to what INTERLINK said, the more you update and improve your informations, the better your chances of getting KYC or getting an invitation for KYC. Now, please listen to what I want to say here. It's not every time you come here that you will synchronize your data. Don't worry, I'm going to explain that. But now this is what I mean. For those people that have referrals, always take note of these percentages. Then you that you're mining on a daily basis, always take note of this your percentage. If it's possible, write it down. I'm telling you what I do personally. Then your group mining, also take note of it or write it down. So once you've mined your verified ITLG, then you come down here. If there is an increase in any of them at all, let's say these 2 remain the same, but your active referrals maybe increase to like 70.5. The main idea here is that as long as there is an increase, a visible increase here, just scroll up to this point and come here. Tap on this your verify now. Then tap on this your scrutinize your metrics. So you tap on it. You can see that I've already done this. So I need to wait for this number of hours. So you just come here and tap on it and synchronize your data. Just like I said, only when there is an improvement, that is when you should synchronize your data. Don't do it all the time. If you come and you discover that there is a decrease in your data, don't synchronize. Wait until there is a visible increase, there's a visible improvement in your data before you synchronize. That is going to help improve your position on the KYC queue. That is what the INTERLINK team actually said. I believe that's clear enough. Now, this is very, very important. Each time you mine, let me cancel this. Always come to this point here. Come here and check. Tap on it. Check if you have been given the KYC invitation slot. If you submitted your KYC, check if it has also been approved. Because from what I noticed, it is just the first level that you'll be notified via your email and via the in-app. They're not going to notify you if it's approved or if it failed. And for the level 2 and the level 3, the same thing applies. You will not be notified. So always come here and be checking. If you don't, you might miss your slot. I believe that's clear enough. So in conclusion, your asset has not been stolen by Interlinks. Just do exactly what I did and you're going to see your assets. Then make sure you join a security circle and make sure you're active and consistent there, so that you're going to get a whole lot of tokens every day. 180 ITLG is not small, that's a lot. If you're consistent, 10 days 1,800, 100 days 18,000, and that is an additional. It will be added to your ITLG balance. Let me go back. It will be added to this your ITLG balance. It will come here and add. If you have not joined INTERLINK, you still have a chance to join INTERLINK today. I did a step-by-step video guide on how you can be able to do that, and I'm going to drop the link to that particular video in the video description. I'm also going to drop my referral link and my referral code in the video description. Tap on the more right below this particular video, tap on the more again, get into the video description, and you're going to see all of those links. All the videos I've done on INTERLINKs, I arranged all of them in the video description. So check it, go through it step by step, and you're going to be guided. There is no form of confusion. Just pay attention and you're going to understand everything crystal clear. So basically, that's the end of this particular video. If this video was helpful to you, you find any form of value from this video, do what you like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and turn on the bell notification to get all notifications so that I can always be notified whenever I drop new YouTube videos. Also, do what to join our Telegram community, link in the video description, where we share with you various updates on cryptocurrency and AIRDROP. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video.